There are plenty of stunning, beautiful wild camping spots like this one when you drive along the Orange River in Namibia. To go to the town of Oranjemund, we had to cross two national parks. This is the first one. We were invited by Mike to go to Oranjemund. He owns the local spar shop there. Oranjemund, or Orange Mouth in English, is an isolated town where the Orange River flows into the Atlantic Ocean. When you see this barren landscape, it's hard to believe that we drive here only a few meters from the Orange River. For our trip to Oranjemund, we were joined by our friends Kevin and Lee. We are camping on the Namibian side of the river, and this Goliath heron is standing on the South African side. Yes, this is the Orange River, South Africa's longest river. For its last 550 kilometers, it forms the border between South Africa and Namibia. The other side of the river is South Africa. It's a very beautiful drive. In Namibia, dry riverbeds are quite often used as roads, but they are not often paved. This is the second national park we had to cross. Sperrgebiet is German for "if you stop here in this diamond-rich desert, you will be shot." Something like that. Maybe this driver didn't know what Sperrgebiet meant. In Oranjemund, the oryx just walk in the street. Kind of royal game. The town is a sleepy town, but when you have a guide like Mike, you will be fascinated by its diamond-filled history. We set up camp at the river mouth, took a traditional photo and enjoyed another perfect view.